Namaskar friends, welcome back to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we will learn how to use the verb eating in past, present and future tense. So let's get started. So friends, the word for eating is khana in Hindi. But food is also known as khana in Hindi. So let's see how we use the verb khana along with the food khana in Hindi in different tenses. Now let's look at the present tense first. If you have to say I'm eating food, if it's a boy, you would say मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. And the girl would say मैं खाना खा रही हूँ. मैं खाना खा रही हूँ. So raha is the masculine form of saying to do something and rahi is the feminine form of doing something. Then comes past tense. In past tense, if I have to say I was eating food, the girl would say मैं खाना खा रही थी. Okay, and the boy would say मैं खाना खा रहा था. But there is also a gender neutral way of saying the same thing. For example, if I say I ate food, मैंने खाना खा लिया. Now that means a boy or a girl, either of them can say that they have eaten food. So, मैंने खाना खा लिया. Or if you have to say you ate your food yesterday, मैंने कल खाना खाया था. मैंने कल खाना खाया था. And or if you have to say that you ate food in the morning, मैंने सुबह खाना खाया था. Or मैंने सुबह breakfast खाया था. The Hindi word for breakfast is नाश्ता. मैंने सुबह नाश्ता खाया था. Now for future tense, I will eat food later. मैं बाद में खाना खाऊंगी. If it's a girl, the boy would say मैं बाद में खाना खाऊंगा. Or you can say मैं शाम को खाना खाऊंगा. I will eat food in the evening. मैं शाम को खाना खाऊंगा. That's a boy. A girl would say मैं शाम को खाना खाऊंगी. So what is the basic sentence structure? The sentence structure is a pronoun, time if you want to tell the time, the object, verb and the tense. And the pronoun would generally be मैं or मैंने. And time for tomorrow and yesterday is kal, now is abhi and today is known as aaj in Hindi. Let's have some clarity with the help of a short conversation. It's a conversation between a mother and a daughter where they are discussing what the daughter had eaten. The mother says, तुम क्या कर रही हो? What are you doing? मैं खाना खा रही हूँ. I'm eating food. The mother says, what are you eating? तुम क्या खा रही हो? तुम क्या खा रही हो? The girl says, I'm eating pizza. मैं पिज़्ज़ा खा रही हूँ. The mom asks, what did you eat in the morning? तुमने सुबह क्या खाया था? The girl says, I ate a banana. मैंने केला खाया था. Then the mother asks, what will you eat in the evening? तुम शाम को क्या खाओगी? The girl says, I will eat idli sambar. मैं idli sambar खाऊंगी. And had this conversation been between a mother and her son, the खाऊंगी would change to खाऊंगा or खा रही हूँ will change to खा रहा हूँ. So friends, I hope this video helped you understand how to use the verb eating, that is khana, in past, present and future tense. I would encourage you to visit this video a few times and practice. I'm sure it will help you easily adapt these little sentences in your conversations with your family members and friends and learn Hindi in a better and a simpler way. Thank you so much for your time and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.